Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello viewers, have you heard? Lagos land grabber allegedly seizes land from Igbo owners, threatens death as police do nothing. Even threatening their lives, and police is taking it lightly. I'm thinking about this, whether the federal police or state police, which one did nothing? Instead of investigating my client's complaints thoroughly, the police asked all the parties to sign an undertaking to maintain peace. What peace while he keeps the seized land? In one of Wyclef's songs, he said, he sang, we don't want no peace, but equal rights and justice. The yellow. So, some of the times, it don't just say peace and let them go. No, you have to take care of the matter, handle it so that there will be no recurrence. So, equal rights and justice settles it properly, not just peace. It deals with offenses and may prevent future recurrences. You can't just say they should sign a peace agreement and go without dealing with the issue. Anyway, let's take a look at the story. A suspected land grabber in Lagos, Alhaji Adeshina Teslim Jalili, also known as Shina Okanlowo, has allegedly trespassed on the land belonging to two Igbo men. He didn't just grab part of their land, but also allegedly threatened to kill owners of the landed property, which is near the military cantonment in Ojo, Lagos. Ojo, okay? He even issued such threat because of a property close to military cantonment. That closeness to the army camp should even scare trespassers. But this alleged land grabber, he got liver. Probably he knows some people, officers in the barracks, or he may have some connections. Anyway, the lawyer for these people narrated that Okalomo invaded the land with heavily armed thugs on December 23, 2020. That's about 2 days to Christmas. He said while her clients and some artisans were working on it, he allegedly threatened to kill them. Look at it. He said, I don't care how you people got this land or document you have, but if I see you guys on this property again, I will end you. So if you love your lives, don't come near this area again. This is Lagos and we own this place. They own Lagos. Imagine that it's theirs. And so people who bought land should run away. People that bought land with their money. That was what a doctor, the lawyer representing these people, alleged that Okalowo said. You know, that looks familiar with Lagos and Omoniles. But the Omoniles don't seize land from the best of my knowledge of them. They can disrupt activities there. Maybe if you've not settled them. But this one grabbed the land and warned the people not to come there. So while Dokwe revealed that she had reported the case at the police area command, Area E, Festac Town, to investigate the trespass, breach of peace, and threat to life, the police appeared to be reluctant to arrest the alleged culprit. I smell foul play. This is part of several reasons. I'm worried about Igbo's continual buying of landed properties outside Igbo land. The other time, a small boy, a local government chairman in Lagos, who was born probably after the Young Shagro Motors. The Young Shagro Motors boss bought a land in Lagos. And this young boy, a local government chairman, was trying to dispossess him of his land. Because Young Shagro is an Igbo man who bought land in Yoruba land. Wonders shall never end. So back to the matter. When the police finally invited the land grabber, he came like a king and they treated him like royalty. Wow, Dokwe said. Instead of investigating my client's complaint thoroughly, the police asked all the parties to sign an undertaking to maintain peace. We want equal right and justice. Notwithstanding the undertaking to maintain peace, the land grabber went back to the property, erecting structures day and night, and the police had refused to do anything about it. So the guy is even building on the land he grabbed, threatening people, and the police said, "Oh, peace, just go. Let's sign a peace agreement and just go." Could you imagine? As I'm speaking to you now, the land grabber is fully on my client's land, building structures without any title document to the land. My clients are now living in fear for their lives, Edokwe lamented. Edokwe is the lawyer representing the Igbo guys. According to Sahara reporters who broke the news, all efforts to talk to Okalomo were unsuccessful as he did not answer his call nor reply to the message sent to his mobile phone. However, the spokesman for the Nikin Itaba family that sold the land to the Igbo men, Kolawole Olusegun, confirmed the case. Olusegun said, "I am aware of the case. The matter was reported to police, with both the owners and buyers producing the land documents. But Okalawon seems to be having the upper hand because the police have not taken any step on whether to arrest him or interrogate him. I have the documents to help with the case, but the police have refused to do anything about it." The Lagos police spokesman, CSP Muyiwa Adejobi, on Monday, on the issue, he said, "I am not aware of this." Have they reported it to the police? If not, let those concerned report to the police and we will start from there. Well, leaving matter for Matthias, let me quickly drive back to Alibo. An Igbo son single-handedly completed road construction abandoned by government in Oraifite, Anambra State. Obiano, why did you abandon that road? Anyway, a man identified as Ugochukwu Have, a businessman and a real estate mogul who hails from Oraifite, Ekwusigo local government in Anambra State, southeastern Nigeria, took upon himself to complete a road construction abandoned by the state government. The road, which was completed a few weeks ago, was opened with a little ceremony which had the king of Oraifite community and other top dignitaries from the town in attendance. The young man, which is on Instagram, shared a video and photo of the newly constructed road with a caption, "In the midst of 2020 crisis, I ask God to keep my household, friends, well-wishers, and you safe. I'm grateful to be alive to celebrate the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ and see 2021. In this cause, I took upon myself a project in my community that has been abandoned by the former and present government to celebrate God's faithfulness, grace, and abundance. It brings me great pleasure, and I will give God the praise as I was able to complete the road construction in my hometown. During the past years, individuals have taken upon themselves to complete several projects abandoned by the government, that which is the case of Mr. Ugochukwu, something that could be described as a very cheerful act. Indeed, we still have some good individuals in Nigeria that still want the best for everyone. Tell us what you think. We also want you to react to the incident of the land grabbing. Somebody, Igbo people's land in Lagos was grabbed by somebody who was acting like an Agbero or Monile. He seized the land and he was building structures on the land that they bought. They have documents to the land. And when the police were invited to deliberate, to talk, discuss it, the policemen were like hailing him and treating him with royalty, asking them to sign a peace agreement instead of probing the matter. What do you think, please? We would like to know. We expected the police to quickly swing into action, settle both sides, know what is actually wrong, and fix it. Somebody bought land legitimately, it has documents, and another person is building on it, and you just tell them, go home, sign peace agreement and go home. Please, what do you think? And what is your advice for Igbos who are buying land outside an Igbo? Please tell us your advice for them. And what do you think about this guy who is fixing a road that has been abandoned by the state government? Please add some notes for him. Please also subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon if you haven't. Share this video. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.